In this video, we will discuss the Fast Adjust feature on a CP5 or CP5i control pad. Fast Adjust is a setting that allows electric or ultrasonic handpieces to adjust directly from the chair controls. For electric handpieces, the chair back arrows adjust the motor speed, and the chair base arrows adjust torque settings in endo mode. For ultrasonic handpieces, the chair base buttons adjust the power percentage. Chair controls can still be accessed by tapping the chair icon and then using chair controls. The adjustment function button is still used to access other adjustments, such as air and water coolant. By default, the Fast Adjust feature is disabled. To enable the feature, begin by pressing the Options menu button. Then select the Settings menu. Scroll down to Equipment and press Select. Navigate to Delivery. Scroll to General Settings. Highlight Fast Adjust. Scroll to Enable. Press Select to save the setting. Note, this setting is set independently between users A and B. Press an equipment icon to exit the menu. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.